5 tips for digital marketing beginners. First of all, start small and be consistent, because digital marketing is all about consistency. Start by focusing on one platform. It's TikTok or it's Instagram or YouTube, and you post regularly. You don't need to do everything at once. Master one platform before you try and expand to others. Leverage free tools. There's so many free tools. I can't believe it. Tools like Canva, creating social media graphics. And the Legacy Builders program includes a bonus Canva training course. Number 4, one of the most valuable assets that you can ever have in digital marketing is your email. Number 5, don't be afraid to invest in mentorship. That's one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make. Trying to figure it all out on your own. Mentorship programs will save you time, money, and effort, guiding you through the process step by step. So if you're ready to start building a better future, not just for yourself, but also for Africa, I invite you to join my channel and learn more.